because of the guy.
Fuck no, if I wasn't gonna eat it right off the bat, I ain't eating it a few days later.
Yeah.
Don't be a pussy.
Well, fuck that.
Yeah.
You get the meat sweats.
Yeesh. Hope you got a steak. As soon as they get a steak, I'm
Nah, I grill that fucker on the exhaust of my pickup and eat it.
You damn ram.
No seasoning, nothing?
Fuck no.
Ooh. Put a lot of that habanero. Fuck me.
I'll pass.
Slippery little devil.
That's a spicy meatball.
That's a spice of the meatball. That sauce is money, dog.
Money dog.
Money dog.
We're going with lips.
Lip
Martinez,
shit.
right?
No.
Lip shits Martinez.
No.
Come on.
The top are either Big Papi, Chi-Chi, or J Money. I don't like J Money. It's corny.
Your lip shit's Martinez.
Your lip shit.
No, never.
How do you just make it lip shitted?
Lip shit is Martinez.
No.
Lip shitted Martinez.
I threw away the saxophone. I had a moment.
You threw it away?
Yeah, I said RIP to the saxophone.
Have you been using the same one this whole time? Have you been using the same shoe this whole time?
I mean, it lasted pretty fucking long.
I was gonna say.
I don't think it could have worked out any better. He pulls a boner word like jaxophone and then turns it into an epic instrument.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm a self-proclaimed genius. Oh.
Keyword self-proclaimed.
Heavy on the self
Heavy on the proclaimed.
and extremely heavy on the proclaim.
So, Mr. Lipshits,
I'm gonna call you Motor Mouth.
that's last year, buddy. Close the yearbook.
No, okay.
Get over it.
I don't like lip shits.
Not your choice.
Chi-Chi.
Not your choice.
Nope. He's Chi-Chi. Kevin's Juju. You're haha.
What am I?
You're Juju.
Oh, Juju. You said Juju for two
No,
people.
I'm sorry. You're Juju.
You're Lipshits.
You're Juju.
You're for sure
You're
Lipshits.
Juju. Chi-Chi.
Lip shit Martinez.
That's what we're gonna call you out when you box Mark.
Fuck you. Mark has a cool one. He has Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch.
Oh, I actually like that, Josh.
Shit. What is this?
Oh, that's my shit. Oh, God, I'm feeling like that. Please stop singing. Okay.
I want to get in the pool.
Go get in it.
No,
They just recommended you don't. They didn't tell you you can't. They just
told us,
recommended that you
Don't get
don't.
in the pool. It's off limits. I think I'm gonna
It's off limits to pussies.
listen to some radio.
House guests, the swimming pool is currently unavailable for use.
See you, vagina. So do you fucking vagine.
Okay, so it turns out the swimming pool is currently unavailable for use. Turns out the swimming pool is currently unavailable for use.
I
So-
thought it was a swimming. We
If,
can't use it, but we can swim in it.
yeah, you
Okay.
can't use it, but you can swim it.
How do you use a swimming pool if you can't swim in it?
You do
Well, how do you
push-ups
use
in there.
You flow.
How do you use it at all?